To be honest, hindi ko na-expect na gano'n yung magiging crowd habang kumakanta pa ako. And hindi ko rin in-expect na gano'n yung magiging respond ng mga judges. For record lang, sobrang nahihirapan talaga akong kantahin yung song kasi it was a really big song. And habang nagpa-practice ako during rehearsals, hindi ko talaga naabot yung mga high notes. But God is really good for allowing me to pull off that and using me as an instrument para ma-share yung gift niya sa akin. So, I'm just really happy with my performance. Nung pinili ako na Len, actually, I didn't expect na she'll be choosing me. Kasi baka naisip ko na baka may iba siyang piliin, ganun. Actually, di na ako prepared na sasalang ako today. Pero yeah, kailangan ilaban and I'm really happy na nairaos ng maganda yung performance. She's really good. Like, sobrang laki pa ng potential, especially na she's young. Sobrang galing, like the techniques and the way she sang her song, wala akong masabi. Tapos pareho pa kaming Kapampangan, so yeah, may the best Kabalan wins.